Capturing an image, whether you're using film or digital, is still the same as it's always been since the invention of photography. Curiously, it doesn't begin with the camera. It begins with your eyes, your mind, and I suppose a bit of your soul. The difference in process only emerges when you actually start to produce an image. And this, for me, is where digital has and always will fall short. Ones and zeros just don't add up to an image. Film, however manual the process is, it's real, it's tangible. It's something that exists in the real world. Salt prints are as old as photography itself. One of the very first processes that allowed for a permanent image to be produced and reproduced, and a process that has changed very little since its inception. Originally, a paper negative would have been produced, but I use 8x10 sheet film. And once the film is exposed and developed, the work of producing the image begins. My prints are produced on 100% cotton rag paper, which is free of all acids and chemicals. Each sheet is initially coated with a salt and gelatin binder and left to dry overnight. Once dry, it is further coated, this time with a solution of silver nitrate, which reacts with the salt to produce silver chloride, making the sheet of paper light sensitive and allowing for an image to be rendered on the paper. When the paper is again dry, I sandwich it together with a negative under a sheet of glass and expose it to UV light. When the exposure is completed, the print is checked, and if I'm happy with it, I then process the print. Again, this is something that hasn't changed a whole lot. The print is washed, then toned using gold toner, and then it's fixed and washed again. When dry, the print is coated with gum arabic, which seals the surface and over time will give a beautiful warm patina to the image. The final stage that I like to do before mounting and framing is to polish the print in beeswax, and it's not always necessary, but I just love the subtle increase it gives in contrast and that beautiful soft shine it gives to the image. Each print is individually handcrafted. There's no buttons pressed that automate the process. Each print is unique.